Hi guys, so today's video I'm going to be showing you the glow art that I've got. Now I'm going to draw on it. Can you guess what I'm drawing? Doop, doop. I'm not really good at drawing these things. Color, color, color. Ooh yeah, color. Then we're gonna do this. And then I'm gonna do some of these. And then I'm gonna draw with another color, which is pink. And then I'll do a green, which matches the screen, I think. There. So that's it with my drawing. These are all the pens that we can draw with. The only pen that I didn't show today was the blue one, like orange, green, blue, pink. That's all the colors it has. And the on button is at the back, and you press this button there for it to change. And you can put your pens here if you wanted here. I don't know really what that's for, so don't blame me. And how I get rid of the drawing is I get a tissue and then fill it with water and then wipe it and then get a paper towel that's dry and then just boop, 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 wipe it. Okay, and that's all we have for today's video, guys. Bye. See you tomorrow.